Hello everyone, today I have the most healthiest and tastiest oats recipe there is, and I'm also going to share with you the right way to eat your oats and gain complete benefit from it. First we start by soaking 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in half a cup of water. You can definitely use Sabja seeds or basil seeds because these are powerhouses of nutrition and anything is good. These seeds expand even if you add double amount of water in them, but I am adding only as much I want for this particular recipe. I am using old-fashioned whole grain rolled oats. You can use oat groats if you want, but by soaking them overnight, we are cooking them slowly and retaining all the nutrients. Add 2 cups of milk, and I had used half cup of water for soaking chia seeds, so it's basically 1:1 liquid to oats. Dried figs are pretty hard, so it's a good idea to chop them finely and soak it into the oats. I love adding spices to my oats because we all know spices are really good for us, and by adding it, we are only increasing the flavor of the oats. You can use any spices you want like cloves and nutmeg. Just stir it, lid on, keep it in the fridge and soak it overnight. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day morning here, and I took out my oats which has been soaking overnight in the fridge. You can see it's completely softened. I'm just mixing up my chia seeds which was again soaking overnight on the counter. I'm mixing them together. If you want, you can soak the chia seeds 1 hour before you eat your breakfast the very same day. I soak it overnight because it's easy for me to mix and have the breakfast right away. As a sweetener, I love to use fresh dates. They are sweet, soft, chewy, gives perfect texture to my oats. And next comes the most important part of my oats: fresh, ripe, soft avocado. Now that all my ingredients are ready, it's time to finally bowl the oats. So first I start up with a little bit of oats, then the dates, the 3 to 4 dates which I chopped. I counted for 1 person. Then 1 spoon of sunflower seeds. You can use any seeds as I'm layering. This is a power booster oats I call, because everything is good for you and very healthy. So I layer the oats again, and the dates. I'm using flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. So these seeds, if you see, they are the top 5 most healthy seeds or superfoods there is. Sesame seed is one of them, but I use them in the savory recipes, not in the sweet oats. Slice the avocados with the knife into the shell and just lay it over the top so it looks good, and it's also easy to eat. With every bite you get the avocado. If you chop it finely and mix it, it becomes mushy. Garnish with almonds or walnuts, and honey is optional because you have dates, you have figs, everything is sweet. This is just optional. They are really delicious, really good. You have to try this. Now there is a reason I made this video, because if this is the way you eat the oats, then there is one big change you need to do in one ingredient that you're using. You have to use plant-based milk, because we all know that milk and fruits don't go together. So if you want to eat the oats with the fruits, then you have to switch it to plant-based milk. Any milk: soy milk, cashew milk, almond milk. I love using coconut milk. I love the flavor of coconut. So I did all the same process for the oats, but I used unsweetened coconut milk instead of dairy milk. Now it's a known fact that fruits have to be only eaten by themselves in between meals, but either way, by itself or with the meal, 2 separate fruits should never be mixed together, like fruit from different groups, because they only fight each other. That's why I have 2 different bowls here, one a berry bowl and one a banana bowl. So when you eat the fruits with the oats, you make a complete benefit out of it, retaining its full nutrients to the body. Now, if you are a dairy milk person, then you definitely have to try my oat recipes with avocados, because all the ingredients that I have added here, they just don't go well together. They taste amazingly delicious and super healthy for you. So do try this recipe and keep watching my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.